All right, today we are going to be unboxing our mic because I know some people have been complaining that they don't know how to fix this condenser mic. You guys don't know how to fix it. Today, I'm going to fix it for the first time for you to know how to fix it so that if you get your own today, you are going to fix it on your own. Nobody's going to come and fix it for you. All right, let's go. Let's go unbox it. This one is the cord for the condenser mic. Yeah. This is your stand. This is your clamp that you use and clamp on your system. You clamp it on your table. Something like this. Like this. Yes. As you can see, be putting it this way. As you can see, this is your stand. This is your tripod stand. As you can see, this is your condenser mic holder. You can just put it like this. You can put it this way. If you like, you can face it up, but I like to face my own up. I would like to face it up. Still remember that you can also stretch it. You can also bring it down small. Anyhow you want it. Now this is your condenser mic. But for the first time, it's going to come like this. It's going to come this way, but you now put it like this way. After then, fix it here. The next thing you have to do, this is your filter foam. You can now fix your filter foam here. I hope you are seeing where you are going to fix your filter foam. See here. Fix it here. You can adjust it. You can adjust it this way. Bring out your cable and plug here. We are good to go. As you can see, we are ready. Okay, now we come to this 3 cord. We come with this. You see this one, you are going to plug this one on your phone. This one is for the charging, USB charging, and this is your SAN card. Okay, this is your SAN card. Now this one we go here. This one will come here. Yeah, plug this one here. Now if you have something like this, you plug here. You are going to be the one to get this by yourself because it doesn't come with this. If you are using something like this, you can plug this one here. Plug it here. This is for your headset and your condenser mic. This is your condenser mic. Plug it on your condenser mic. Yeah. Okay. Next, if you are using background music, you can also plug it here. Your background music, you can plug it here. Yeah. That way I'm plugging it. Your background music. If you are using a background music, after then you turn it on. Okay. Now you are good to go. Hello, 1 2. Mic, hello, 1 2. You can also adjust the echo. You can see, you can adjust the echo. Mic, hello, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2. You see, I have adjusted the echo. It comes with different sound. See this one? 1 2. Mic, hello, 1 2. You can change the sound by mic, hello. This is the bass. Mike hello 1 2. Mike hello 1 2. This is all the picture. Hello 1 2 2 2 2. You see the sound? You see? You see? Yeah. I hope you are enjoying it. This is the sound. You see? This is how the thing is. You can adjust it anyhow you want. You can. This is the mic.